So guys, for the first step, you're going to get into this screen. Now to get here, you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You're going to repeat this 3 times. So you're going to turn off your computer from the power button and then turn it back on again. As soon as it turns on, you're going to turn it off again and then turn it back on again. You want to repeat this 3 times, and then on the 4th time when you turn your computer on again, it will then take you into this screen. It's going to be saying that your PC did not start correctly. You're going to click on Advanced Options. And now once you run this, I'm going to be showing you 2 different ways on how you can fix this problem. So for the first method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Start to Repair. If you do not see Start to Repair, then you're going to click on SIEM Recovery Options. Then it should appear right here. So you're going to click on Start to Repair. It's now going to start diagnosing your PC. Wait for this to load. Now hopefully this would have fixed your problem. If not, that's fine. We're going to click on Advanced Options. And now for the second method, you're going to click on Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, and then Command Prompt. And now once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan. Now I'm going to click on Enter. Then you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, you're now going to type in chkdsk /f /r C:. Click on Enter. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, we're just going to close out of this. Now you're going to continue to Windows, and then the problem should be fixed.